Guys, I've got some amazing news to share with you. Every week, me and my friend and my business girlfriend from San Francisco are hosting a completely free, successful relocation masterclass, which starts this Thursday, December the 7th, by the way. If you feel like you're not happy in the country where you currently live, if you always wanted to relocate, to change the country, but have never known where to start from, or if you're just not sure that you can get a job in that country of your dream, please come along and join us every Thursday at 8 p.m. Central European Time and 11 a.m. Pacific Time. On the 7th of December, this week, we are talking about that dream job of yours in that new country. How to get a job in the companies like Google or Meta all over the world, including the US and Norway, of course. And the importance of your LinkedIn profile. Did you know that if you have your LinkedIn profile professionally done, your potential employers start approaching you, offering to work for them? And the 14th of December, next Thursday, we will discuss current immigration situation and what exactly needs to be done to get that work permit and further settlement. Those are going to be some vital action points that will have the biggest impact on your future successful relocation process. And if you always wanted to change your country and start your happy life in that country of your dream, but all these immigration policies drive you crazy, you're so welcome to join us the 14th of December. Same time, 8 p.m. Central European Time and 11 in the morning Pacific Time. I will tell you everything about current immigration situation, and we will prove to you again that everything is possible in this life, as long as you really want it. Cool news! And the week starting from 18th of December to 22nd of December, we might do a couple of days of our open and absolutely free masterclass, all based on your questions we will receive during these next weeks of our free masterminds. Real questions, real time. Come and join us. My advice, guys, if you really want to move to that country of your dream, join us for all masterclasses we're giving, as this is the fastest way of your successful relocation. I've been through this 7 times myself. Back in 2010, I moved from Moscow, from Russia, to England. Believe me, I know exactly how difficult it might seem to move from one country to another, especially moving from outside the European Union. Now I'm moving from Europe to the US, another very tough looking move. If you're like me and would love to try your best, let's make that successful move to the country of our dream together. I guarantee, if we do it together, 100% we will succeed. I'm waiting for you guys. The 7th of December, 8 p.m. Central European Time and 11 a.m. Pacific Time. Are you coming? Please do. I will be waiting for you. Love you so much and can't wait to finally talk to you. See you Thursday, every Thursday.